Welcome to geometry. Today our topic is polygons and similar polygons. This is found under paper 2 mathematics. So let's give the definitions so that we understand what we're dealing with. What are polygons? Polygons are two-dimensional shapes formed with a straight line. So for example, let me show you how polygons look like, or examples of polygons. This triangle, for example, it's a polygon. Why? Because it's made up by straight lines. 1, 2 lines. There's no curve, there's no anything. And this kite also, it's also a polygon. It's even this shape is also a polygon. Even this one, which looks like an arrow facing down, it's also a polygon. Why? Because it's only containing straight lines. There's no curve, there's no anything. Then let's go to similar polygons. Definition. What are similar polygons? Similar polygons are polygons with the same shape but not sides, which means that the shapes are the same but they differ in sizes. Simplicity. Or you can just say that similar polygons have same numbers of sides, corresponding angles are congruent, and corresponding sides are proportional. So let's give an example of this one. Let's use the triangle, the normal one, and give it a small triangle and this big triangle. It says that they have same number of sides. So if you notice, you find that these triangles or these shapes that we have here at the bottom, they all have 3 sides since it's a triangle. So it sides this one, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Yes. So it says that corresponding angles are congruent, which means, let's change the colors. It just means that let's name them first. So let me make this A, B, C, and this one will be X, Y, Z. So this just means in simplicity that between these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle X, angle, let's make it a point so that we can see, angle B is equal to angle Y, and lastly angle C is equal to angle C or Z. Remember that these sides are not equal. I just named them like this to show that they have the same sides. So let's go down a bit. Now we're getting to the scale factor. It's called the scale factor or the scale ratio or the ratio of the perimeter. How do you calculate? How do we go around calculating that? We use our sides. Since this side, we say that it's side AB over side XY is equal to side BC over side YZ is equal to side XZ over AC. This is how we get to calculate our scale factor or the perimeter of the ratio. So let's give each other an example so that we can use it, or we can get to calculate it from there. Then let's have this triangle and another one here. Okay. Yes, then let's name them triangle ABC, ABC, N, O. So here we are given 8, here we are given 3, here we are given 5. So this is 10, this is 16, this is 6. So what we are going to do here, we are going to calculate the scale factor or the ratio of the perimeter. So you're going to use our formula. We'll only take any two, not all three, we'll only take any two. So let's just take AB over XY is equal to BC over YZ. So we'll say AB over XY is equal to BC over YZ. This is our scale factor. Which is equal to 3 over XY. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change the numbers here. We're supposed to change the letters since we are dealing with a different one. My apologies on that. Yeah, so let me change it quick. So it will be AB over MN and BC over NO. Yeah, my apologies on that. So it will be 3 over 6 which is equal to so that you understand what you're dealing with. Let me write all of them. XZ over MO. Yeah. So the answer that you're going to get here is our scale factor. So this is just half. So our scale ratio This is our scale ratio, 1/2. Or you can also represent it as, or you can also say 1:2. So for you to get from this one to get this one, you multiply by 2. From the bigger one going downwards, you multiply by half. That's it. Thanks for watching. This can also show us if this scale factor using AB, using this part, is equal to this of this one. It's the same. For example, let's add during BC, MO, obviously it's equal to 10. No, sorry, it's equal to 5/10. Yeah, 5/10. So it's equal to 1/2. So if the scale factor of two sides of a given angle they're equal, it means that this just means that a triangle ABC is similar to triangle MNO. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Check out more videos on different topics. Thank you.